The first step is to simply go to Buy Me a Coffee website, and then we're gonna have to click on Start My Page. Then what we're gonna have to do is simply create our account. So we're gonna have to enter a username. So I'm gonna enter mine and then click on sign up. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply choose a method. So I'm gonna enter my email address, and then we're gonna have to simply create a password. So let's create a password, then simply check this box and click on sign up. Now we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and then we're gonna be able to create our Buy Me a Coffee page, and then I'm gonna show you how to add this to your YouTube channel. Now, as you can see, we just received a verification code, so we're gonna have to copy this and paste it here, and then again click on sign up, and that should be all. So I'm gonna save here, and then here we're gonna have to simply enter our name. And if you want, you can simply add an about page, you can upload your profile picture and enter a website or social link. Now, once we do this, we're gonna have to click on next. And then what we're gonna have to do next is simply choose our country and then click enter my bank info. So basically here you're gonna receive your money. So if you want to do this now, you can do it, or you can simply skip this step. Now, basically here we have the landing page and everything. So as you can see here, we can basically edit this page. We can add a cover, we can click on edit, and here we can change our profile photo, our full name. Here we have the support. So basically, if they click on this, they can donate to you. Now, once you finish, what we're gonna have to do is simply click on this button here, and then we're gonna have to copy this. Now, if you want, you can paste this into your YouTube video's description, or you can simply click on customize channel here when you go to your channel, and then you can simply scroll down and then click on add link. Then you're gonna have to simply paste here the link, and here you can simply type in something like support me and then click on publish. And then if we go back to our channel, we can see that we have the link right here, and we can click on it, and then we're gonna receive the donations. So basically that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.